In South Africa, the Government Certificate of Competency factories is a license granted to mechanical or electrical persons to supervise machinery as required by the General Machinery Regulations. The Chief Inspector from the Department of Employment and Labour may grant the Certificate of Competency in Mechanical or Electrical Engineering upon recommendation from the Commission of Examiners. How do you get the GCC factories? The journey starts by meeting the GCC factories exam entry requirements as stipulated by the Commission of Examiners from the Department of Employment and Labour. Next, you need to complete the prescribed application form, attach the required supporting documents which include your qualification and required letters. After that, you will have to write the GCC factories, Plant Engineering and the Occupational Health and Safety Act exams. The pass mark for the exams is 50%. The Government Certificate of Competency factories, Plant Engineering and OHS Act exams are challenging. You will have to prepare sufficiently for these exams. Before you can write the exams, you need to ensure that you register to write the exams from the nearest approved TVET college. The exams are written every single year in June and November. Once you have passed the GCC factories, Plant Engineering exam and the Occupational Health and Safety Act exam, you can send your results to the Commission of Examiners. The Chief Inspector at the Department of Employment and Labour will issue you with your Certificate of Competency upon recommendation from the Commission of Examiners. Do you want to learn more about GCC factories? Click the like and subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon.